Birthdays become extra special when you are surrounded by the people you love. As always, my husband and my kids never miss their tradition of wishing me exactly at 12 midnight and making me feel truly special. We started the day by attending Mass and thanking God for another beautiful year of life. Later, my husband surprised me with a visit to my favorite place, Swapnaganda. If you've been following my previous vlogs, you already know how much I love nature, and this place is my perfect escape from the hustle of the city life. From the beautiful surroundings and authentic cuisine to the fun activities, every moment was filled with joy and relaxation. We spent quality time, created wonderful memories, and enjoyed the peace and beauty of nature before heading back home with grateful hearts. A simple, beautiful birthday spent with the person who meant the world to me.